Hey, I'm Crystal Nurple. I'm an organizing expert and a coach, and this is a question that I get asked an awful lot when it comes to decluttering and organizing. Where do I start? I am so overwhelmed. Where do I start? I don't even know what to do. I'm so shut down. Help! What do I do? So I'm here to help you. I've got 3 different things that you can do to get you started. There's no wrong answer. First of all, just start. Stop overthinking and just start. Which I know that's not helpful, right? Most of you are hearing that and thinking like, yeah, that's not helping me at all. Give me some answers. So here are my answers. I've got 3 things you can choose from. So pick which one works best for you, which one sounds better to you. One thing that I like to do is pretend you're a visitor in your own home. So try this. Stand at the front door, walk around your home, take a tour of your home like you've never been there before. Look at it with fresh eyes if you can. What do you notice? What do you notice first? What do you think a visitor would come in and notice right away as clutter? Something that needs to be cleared. And if you would be embarrassed, or if it makes you tense, or if you feel off, or you're going to know the feeling. You're going to know if it's not feeling right. And if you think someone else is going to see that and kind of feel the same thing, start in that spot. So if you're standing at the front door, and you notice a big pile on the entryway table and that bothers you when you see it, start there. Go ahead and clean that up and take care of that and do just that one little spot. One little spot. I always recommend baby steps. So pretend to be a visitor in your home. Pick a spot that you think someone would see as an outsider, immediately see as clutter, and pick that spot and declutter it. And then be done for the day. And then do it again the next day. Or you can be done for just an hour and then do something else the next hour. So give yourself some time and a little bit of a breather as you're decluttering, but just come in at it with fresh eyes and act like you're a visitor in your home. And like, what would somebody else see? What would someone else see that I'm not seeing? Because sometimes we kind of forget or don't notice the clutter because we're in it and we live in it all the time. So be a visitor in your own home and take a tour. And what do you notice? What needs to be fixed? Another thing that you can do is start in your personal space. Just start there. And your personal space would be either your master bedroom. And if you're comfy in your master bedroom and everything's good and that's decluttered, but you still feel like there's some clutter hiding somewhere, pull the drawers open, look through all the little hidden crevices and under the bed, make sure all the clutter is clear. And also your master bathroom, your master closet. That's the area where we start and finish every day. And those areas really should be as calm and peaceful as possible. And if you're not walking into those spaces feeling the way that you want to feel, you should tackle those and get those taken care of first. Or if that doesn't sound good to you, I've got another option. You can also start in your pantry or refrigerator. Starting in the heart of the home. Most of us consider our kitchens the heart of the home because that's where we spend a lot of time. It's where we socialize. It's where we eat with each other, hopefully sit down and have a meal, cook together. A lot of times we congregate there when it's holiday season and family and friends come over. So start in the heart of the home and open up your refrigerator and clean out your refrigerator. You're going to be amazed by how amazing you feel after you clean out your refrigerator and pantry, declutter the junk food, get rid of the crap that's making you feel like crap, and wipe down all the counters or all of the shelving and make everything just look nice and crisp and clean. And then when you open it up, you may actually be encouraged to eat a little bit healthier. You may start to feel a little lighter because you know that you're about to nourish your body with maybe some healthier foods. Or also just lean into the indulgence of it. Maybe there is a chocolate cake in there that now you can see, or a piece of pie that you've had hidden in there. Indulge in that. Go ahead and enjoy yourself. That may make you feel better too. No judgment. So be a visitor in your home. Look around and see if there's anything that you would be embarrassed of that you would like to have cleaned up, or that somebody else with fresh eyes would notice as clutter that maybe you're missing. Or if you don't like that idea, start in your personal spaces. Start in your master bedroom, master closet, master bathroom. You want to start and end your day in a clean, calm environment. Or if you don't like either one of those, you could just go ahead and open up your refrigerator and clean out your refrigerator. There's just something magical about cleaning out the refrigerator. It just makes you feel better. So those are 3 options, but basically just start. Just get started. Stop making excuses. Put on your big girl panties. You're not a victim here. If you want your house decluttered, a little tough love, it is on you. You can do it. You can do this. Just pick a spot and get started, and stop talking yourself out of it, and stop making excuses as to why you can't do it. You can do it. You got this. Sometimes even when we know where to start, it's still really hard to start. So join the Loving Your Home Club to gain some momentum through sisterhood. This is a place where we support each other, we encourage each other, and we create real momentum. You can also reach out to me at cloud9organizing.com for some one-on-one organizing and decluttering help.